Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we're having delivery of a beautiful royal purple GTR XU1, which is coming in to be prepared for sale. Look at this beauty, 8th month 72, and that will be beautifully presented for sale. Royal purple, black trim, basically had a paint on the outside, that's it. Other than that, untouched car, unrestored. Beautiful little XU1, look at that. And it's going to get the right exhaust done, full detail. That'll be presented for sale shortly. And then here we have just sold by us, by Australian Muscle Cars, come out of country Adelaide, country South Australia. That is a unrestored, totally unrestored Liniment LC GTR XU1. Absolutely beautiful, purchased by a valued customer from Sydney. And that car again will be fully detailed and gone over by our guys and then prepared for the owner to pick up in a couple of weeks. Have a look at there's nice to see the two Tiranas next to each other, XU1 from 71 and XU1 from 72. Royal purple and liniment. Hope you've enjoyed this little tour. This is in our facility in Sydney, and just some of the cars that are here for sale at the moment. We're just photographing this absolutely magnificent replica of the Shelby GT350. And then we've got a few cars that we're working on at the moment. This one's for sale. XY-GT in Vermilion Fire, but then we've got the Phase 2 GDHO that's been sold, and a nice XY-GT. We're just doing an engine bay restoration for the customer who purchased it at the moment, and then we're just finishing off a beautiful Starlight Blue XW-GT. Some work on a Pepper Red XA GT, and back around to the showroom having a look at some of the other cars for sale. K-Code GS Fairmont, and this one's a beautiful K-Code replica, all been fully restored. But yeah, just thought you'd like to have a look at what's going on in the facility. Thank you for watching.